Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jamara. I'm 19, and actually, y'all haven't seen me in a while. Last time y'all seen me, I think I was 18, and I had an internship and all that. I'm just jumping back into YouTube. If y'all hear from that, yeah, okay. You're probably not, because I literally only had 300 subscribers, so we're not pressed. Anyways, as you can tell by the title, this is showing y'all my apartment. We moved in August 9th. It's currently August 22nd or 23rd. So, bear with me. We don't got that much furniture. Bear with me. Thank you. We would, the good, the young, and poor. I gave it all I could. Stuck in this terror dome. All I see is terrible. Making us hysterical. It's got to be more sick of this head of mine. Intrusive thoughts that paralyze. So, we're gonna start off by the door. I was just standing at the door. I'm gonna flip the camera. Yeah, this is me standing at the door. Behind this is a glass, and you can kind of see through it. So, put my Puerto Rican flag over it. Yeah, so this is the door. As soon as you walk in, obviously the living room, the kitchen. Oh, what is this? Let's look at this. This is the not hallway closet. This is the entry closet. We're just gonna call it that. Entry closet. As you can see, it's a 5-row basket. Just not sponsored. Don't ask if we got the basket. We did. Okay, you got me and my man's shoes, you know. Shoes is all over here, and there's a box back there, but that's some winter coats. Yeah, let's make our way in the kitchen. We don't have no trash can right now, so we're just doing that. We got this glass table at Facebook Marketplace for $50, and it came with 5 chairs, and that the chairs came in clutch. I'm not even gonna lie. That chicken is the thawing for tomorrow, so I can make us some chicken sandwich, because all the money went to the apartment, so I gotta be cooking. As we make our way over here, this is the pantry. Got me my dog food at the bottom, because you know I got a big dog. She got some wet food, and we got a can of tuna fish. That is a can of tuna fish down there. We're not gonna worry about that. We got some dog treats for her. This is a new food, actually. Here she go. This is my dog. Her name is Marley. She's lovely. Yeah, that's the little pantry. You know, I make my instant coffee in the morning, so that's where this come in. You know, we got the little spice cabinet. Oop, we're not gonna look at the top. Anyways, got the oven. You know, the burner's a little over, but yeah. The chips out here, the chips supposed to be in there, but like the other night I had me beef with chips or whatever, that little thing on TikTok. Anyways, but I'm just gonna show y'all my freezer. Mind you, I'm 19, my boyfriend is 20. This is our freezer. I cook. This is the other chicken, mind you, we have that out, and you're gonna see in a minute the fridge. So I cooked fried chicken. We got that iced tea. That's rice. That's, what is this? This is the vegetables. That's some of the rest of the breakfast that we did not eat that I'm probably gonna rewarm up. We don't got a microwave right now. Let me do a little spin in the kitchen. We don't have a microwave right now, so yeah. That's over there. Let's move on. Excuse me. The living room. So, obviously the TV, under it, I just literally put random wires on there. Okay, Marley, apparently she's going on a tour with us. Just random wires, you know, you gotta have them somewhere. This is my dog's food in here, her food bowl. This is some games. I gotta put the games in the den. We're gonna see the den in a minute. You know, that's my brother's girlfriend's paintings. We got some paintings. I definitely want to put this up. And then that's a TV mount. Definitely gotta figure out something like that. Marley's dog toys. They all supposed to go in the basket. She got a lot more. And she got more in the bedroom too. Long lamb Costi, you know. You know, that's the balcony. We're gonna get there in a minute. So I just, I had to do a little thing. But this is the den. So we have a 1-bedroom with the den. This is our den. So it's basically like a second bedroom. It's classified as a den because it does not have a closet. But Marley's cage is in here. This is her room. She's out there, as you can see. You know, we got the little desk here with this outside chair, but we got the little desk. This for the guests, you know, got the iPhone charger. The other charger got some, yeah, because when we first moved in here, we're not playing. We do not play. As you can see over here, put that over there. No trash bags. We got all these games. We got other games out there, but yeah, it's a little fun. So Marley sometimes sleeps in here on this, you know, cutesy, very demure, very classy, you know the deal, y'all. Okay, come on, Marley. What you want to show them? You want to show them the balcony? You want to go outside? You want to show them outside? You do? You do? Let me turn the light on for y'all real quick. Let's go out here. So we're going to start from this angle, obviously. This is what the apartment looks like from the outside. And then we're on the balcony. We got the little flag, got the, you know, got the chairs. My grandmother gave us this set, you know, free, nice. You know, got the dartboard out here. Got Marley PV pad in case she need to go potties. Okay, Marley, what you want to show them out here? What you want to show them? Apparently she don't want to show y'all nothing. Apparently not. Let's go inside. Come on. Okay, so we're inside. So, as you can tell over there, I broke one of these off by accident. It's okay now. It's an accident. I'm gonna close the blinds. Okay. So now, y'all don't see the den. That's over here. TV. We do be DoorDashing to make some extra moonlight. Let's come over here. Let's go to the bathroom. We're gonna save the best for last. The bathroom for last. This is the linen closet. All our towels and stuff came from my man, his grandma. His grandma got that. His grandma, my mom, some stuff. My brother's sister and smell good and stuff. You know. The bed changing sheets is down there, and then that's another bath mat for when we get rid of this bath mat. But don't mind the mess. I need to yell. Oh, it's me. So as you could see, this is my side. This is his side. We very much have one and two. He got his, you know, his smell good lotions because you gotta be smelling good. Yes, my baby be smelling real good. I be using this all the time. He don't even know it, but he gonna know it now. This his pick, actually, and his other pick is somewhere. I don't know. You know, we got the tub. Just cleaned it out earlier. Y'all are actually gonna see that Marley just wanna get in every shot, girl. Come on. Yeah. So now we're making our way into the bedroom. So this is what it looks like, and then that's a full-size bed over there. So yeah, so we're coming in. First is my man closet. You know, I gotta fold these clothes. They probably not gonna get folded tonight, but they will get folded. Got his little suitcase, his things. You come over here. It's my closet. Y'all know it's my closet because all the purses. Let me show y'all. I got purses over here too. My hangers are pink, you know. I still got a suitcase and I'm packing stuff, you know. This is my little picture wall, yes. I gotta put the rest of them up there right there. Okay, so this is my chair. Cause like this is my corner. Like I have to have a designated corner design. This is my man chair. That's my iPad. Of course, I knew that. Y'all know Gemma on the bed. Hello. Marley was laying on the bed earlier. So let me fix this bed so y'all can see our comforter. That's me, my man. Yeah. Hoes mad because hoes be mad. Yeah. This was supposed to be a shoe rack. It didn't come out right, like, at all. So yeah, this is where Marley sleeps when she sleeps in here, because she got 2 sleeping pieces, because sometimes we don't sleep in the same room. Another chair in case guests come over, we just pull that out, go over there. We got our electronics all over here. His Nintendo, his iPad, his tablet, headphones, you know the TV his grandparents gave us this. His grandparents gave us that, That's from the grandparents, from my sister-in-law. Oh my goodness. I just stepped on that toy and it's very wet. So yeah, let me just go around, show you all again.